PulsEvo Assorted kit has high-quality 5mm assorted LED in a variety of colors to choose from: red, green, yellow, blue, and white. A total of 500 LED in a single kit. Additionally, you will get 2x8cm prototyping printed circuit board and 100 PCs 220 ohm quarter-watt resistors. The LED assortment kit from PulsEvo has a wide scope of applications like school science experiments and DIY light projects, indoor and outdoor light decorations, signal indicators, color displays, and electronic or electrical appliances. A durable plastic storage box helps you to always keep the LED organized and to transport the LED kit anywhere. It becomes secured and free from damaging and breaking. PulsEvo LED assortment kit is just the perfect choice for your needs.